welcome back to another video. If it is your first time coming across my videos, you're most highly welcome. And to all my original subscribers, you guys are the MV to the P. So in today's video, guys, we are going to be doing a quick snap room tour. I am supposed to be at school now, like going to school, but I'm waiting for a friend so we can go along. So I wanted to use that time to just give you guys a quick room tour, because yesterday I tried to do the room tour and there was no light. The place was really dark, and today I'll be coming again late at night, so let's do that. So I'm dressed. This is my uniform. Well, this is part of my uniform. My coat is on the bed. But anyways, if you like the video, please feel free to like, share and subscribe. By the way, this is my hostel room, so yeah. All right, so when you come, this is the door. So this is the door to the room, and by the door we have my graduation picture. Of course, I have to slay, and behind, closer to the portrait, my switch for my room. Excuse the dirt. And beside it is my mirror. This is my full fit, guys. Let me put up. So this is the mirror, and this is me. Looking all cute and set for class. All right, after the door there is my trash bin. So when you come by the door, let me just give you guys a close-up of what I'm talking about. So that's the door. This is the picture. My mirror by the back, my trash bin. Closer to the door is my wardrobe. That is my suitcase on top of it. Funny story, that suitcase is actually spoiled, like. And my mom was like, you can't take it to hostel. I was like, I can't take it to hostel. So she was so mad when I brought it along. But that's my suitcase. And that's like my cash box. I'm keeping some money for rainy days. And my hanger. So this is my wardrobe. Okay, so let me give you guys a tour of the wardrobe. So this is my wardrobe. And up in the wardrobe are my provision shelf. Everything provision. And here is like my cosmetics, deodorant, oil. I'm actually using the Palmer's Skin Success Fit Cream and the Cocoa Butter Skin Therapy Oil, and my antiperspirant and other things. Next, down there are my pants, my tights, and I didn't have an hanger to hang this particular coat, so I packed it here. And under are my, how can I say, toiletries. You guys can see my shell talks, tissue pads, all other things. And below the wardrobe is my books and notes. How cute is that? The other compartment of the wardrobe is like this. Let me give you guys like a full close-up. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is my wardrobe area. It was really packed, to be honest, really packed. But I was in a hurry to dress because the clothes that I ironed, this was what I planned on wearing today, but the skirt was not giving. I wanted to do this top and this skirt, but it was not giving. I wasn't feeling myself, and it's very important when you dress, you feel good about yourself, right? And that feeling good about yourself equals to good day. So that was why. So this dress is for tomorrow. So this is where I hang all my things, and underneath are my shoes, some water, some drinks, my shoes, and these are some of the dresses I sell. Yes, I will not forget my business wherever I go. So that, and yeah, so that is, and here is for my bags. So yeah. Alongside the wardrobe, this is the wardrobe. In front of it is like my kitchen area slash ironing place slash water and everything. So this is where I charge. My power bank is currently charging, and my water, microwave. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using it, but anyways, I bought this. My electric goose, rice cooker, some chargers, and this is where I put like my clothes that I will be wearing at home. And this is like my provision baskets, like you know how I showed you guys my where I keep my provisions. But here's like for my kitchen utensils. Yes, my kitchen ingredients, like my seasonings, some Maggi. These are like, this is some bulgur, couscous, milk, my egg, baskets and all other things. I didn't want to like mix it up together, and my sugar and all. So alongside these are like my hairbands, towels, so I decided to hang it there. So next part of the room is my bed. So when you come to the room, the mirror and the bed, yeah, this is my bag. I told you guys I'm getting ready to go to school, and that's my suitcase, my coat. Closer to the side of my bed is my study area. I am trying as much as possible to keep this area clear, because if it's mixed up and very packed and jam-packed, I get confused and I won't be able to study. So on top of my study table, my laptop, my Bible, of course, supposed to be here, but when I was doing the bed, and this book, I love it. This is like a devotional. I love it. A Woman of Purpose and Power, really inspirational book. And by the side is my big window. All right, after the bed area, when you leave the wardrobe and every other part, the next part is my bathroom. Yeah, let's go there. Oh yeah, so this is my bathroom. Nothing really fancy. Sorry, the bathroom is dark. I didn't put a light. The light is spoiled, right? So I haven't put a light. So in my bathroom, there's flush, tissue hold, toilet roll holder, and you know, basic shower. I don't do a lot. I plan on getting like a little mirror here for this meal, but let's see. I'm not into decorating my room at this point. And next part is my shower. This is where I shower. My Dettol black soap. I'm using black soap to wash, and my body scrub. And in the bathroom, these are for like my nightgown, my clothes I wear for the day, and all of things. So yeah, so this is the entire room. In general, this is the entire room. I actually bought a 2-yard rug and it didn't fit the room. You guys can see empty floors, so I'm going to try and, as much as possible, to get a mat to cover it up, because the place is so cold and stepping on it, it's really bad. And added to that, it's not aesthetic, it's not looking good. So this is the whole room, and the final place of my room is this door. Can you guys guess where this door leads to? All right, if you guessed veranda, then you are correct. Definitely correct. So this is like my veranda slash my kitchen area. Yeah, so this is my gas. This actually is a spare. Is a spare remaining of my sauce, my own sense, my water kettle, and I decided to bring a barrel so that I'll be getting water. So next, these are like my kitchen utensils, my pan, my bowls, everything, broom and everything. So yeah, this is my view every day. This is my view every day, guys. Very beautiful. This is the hostel compound. Can you guys see that? It's very beautiful. So this is my room. See?